Hello, welcome back. So today we're playing Minecraft once again. And today I wanted to play with my classmates, which I'll just call Nya. Anyways, we played for a little while, but Nya just disconnected for some reason. Still trying to figure it out. But anyways, now since Nya is unavailable, I will just be playing alone by myself and try to deal with that weird spider. I hate that spider. But I could get the rope or the string. Whatever! No. No, 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 no. No! And I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Yeah, I'm considering that place lost. No more. That place is a lost cause. Where are the spiders coming from? You know what? I'll face my fears. Yeah, it's sounding it came from there. But I will also add something since I am also scared. Resource packs. There. I forget about it. Why do I hear? Well, I think it's still safe down here. I think the problems are there. Yeah. That's the place that's making me anxious. I can't leave this cave forever. So I'm gonna go up to the surface to try and get some arms or wood. Yes, wood. Where is that coming from? Oh wait. Just gonna expand my coastline. For some reason, my mind always thinks of, whenever I make videos and just think of lore. I want to add lore. I don't know why. I think it's the MatPat brain rot. Eh, whatever. If I get screwed, whatever. I still think it's the MatPat brain rot. The MatPat brain rot is taking over my mind. Anyways, I always need infrastructure. There's no need. There's always a need for infrastructure. If I don't need that, I'm not alive. And also, I gotta set it up for when Alden. Wait. Huh? Forget about it. Not important. Time to scout the area. This place is a good place to actually start farming. So yeah, I'll build more bridges there. Hey, I think I really need like wood. And how do I get up? Still scouting the area for, potential areas to add wood. All that bull. Anyways, so here's my plan. I will make like a bridge or a staircase. Maybe I'll explore the ravine. Maybe that could lead me somewhere. But right now I gotta go do the farming, so alley-oop. We're good. Anyways, I'm thinking of expanding. You know what? I'll do an entirely other room, like storage. You get my drift? Like for example, I'll put all my stuff in the storage. That will be a good place. And I'll tell Alden to just mine in whatever random shit, what random hole he desires, and say that that's his. I'll tell him that this side, I don't know actually. Whatever. So, door. Yay. Time to continue building my bridge. Maybe not. I need more torches. Because look, all that sounds are making me very scared. But again, I need to go to the weird... What is that brown block called again? I will ask Mia for the answers. I want to maximize the amount of light I have. No. And the only thing I can do is dead. really, really scared. How do I spawn proof my thingy? What I can do is I can do nothing. Okay, hope that no monsters spawn at all. If there are monsters spawning, I will let Alden deal with it. That will be his room. Landlord rule number one. If I don't feel, if I feel like, if I feel like some, oh no 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 no. Okay, landlord rule number one. If you have if there's a problem with your land, let your tenants deal with it. It saves money. Just say that you'll deduct their rent. I think I'll tell Alden like every day he'll collect the food. Like 5 pieces of meat. And Alden, I know you watch these videos. Don't lie to me. You told me at school that you watch these. Actually, I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe it's the insanity, maybe not. I don't know. It's just build. That's all I want to do is just build, build, build. Oh, there's a problem with my house? Psst. No. All I need is infrastructure. What? You need food? No, you need infrastructure. Oh, there's a zombie in your house? No. You need infrastructure. That's what everyone needs. Infrastructure. Infrastructure is life. Without infrastructure, there's no life. At least a life not worth living. Wow, I have the exact amount. That's perfect. I hope Alvin doesn't screw up my infrastructure. Eh. And also, I'm calling this world Cherry World. Cherry World. You will not change my mind. I don't give a shit on what you think. You will do what I think is good. It's my service. But again, you might steal my stuff. So, yeah. In this world, it's communism. All the way. I need saplings. And also, I will record another video since last week I didn't, record for the second day. Anyways, oak saplings ready. Oh, that's all I need. Now that my bridge is finished, all I need to do is jump down. The way down is much easier. I have an idea. May not be a good idea, but still an idea. Just get that, and yeah. charge of this. This is his room. And also Alden is in charge for expanding my cave system. He's my roomie. And also Nya. Nya. You are free to invite anyone into the server or world. You are free to do whatever you wish. That's a big one. I'm scared. Well, you can cover up your fears. You don't need to fear them. You don't need to be scared. You can just cover it up. Alden or Nya, please do the bidding for me, please. And retrieve my torches while you're at it. Yeah, that's enough. I am not scared of you. You do not order me what to do. I order you what to do, you skeletons. Skinny bones, I don't give it. Yeah, I'm scared. Anyways, since the projects are never finished, I will do like another bridge going over there. This world will just be a network of tunnels and bridges. Everything is connected. Division is just an illusion. Control is also an illusion. Yes, you can shape the world, but you cannot control anyone. You can only control yourself. And I'm out of blocks. Great. Perfect. Perfect. Just what I needed. That was fast. If Alden doesn't join soon, I will do it by myself. And screw. Great, bravo. I think there are skeletons. Okay, good. Alden, that is your problem, not mine. I'm scared that suddenly After I break a block, suddenly there's just boom, a skeleton. Then I just die. Anyways, bye bye everyone. Good night. See you later.